Hey everyone, Jay Harris in Tiny Wonderland. In this special video, I'm going to be talking about something that's kind of sensitive, but I told you guys. I'm going to report the good and the bad to everything that happens. We're going in a hole, hang on! Okay. That's okay, we're in a hole. It's okay, it's okay. Okay, that was a lot quicker than I thought it was. We are cooking up some bird's eye. Looks pretty good so far. Should be a few minutes before this is really good. We can't go with chains without a jump dragger up the hill. We'll worry about chains later. We call this a CTC, which stands for cargo trailer conversion, or cargo trailer camper, or cargo trailer crap, whatever you want to call it. It has all kinds of names. In case you're wondering what 4-week-old poop looks like after it's been chemically treated, and there's your answer. A mom to 17 children, I would have thought you might have had like 30 of those cards.
Oh, this is just for 2 days?
For the past 2 weeks, I've been testing the Zendure SuperBase Pro 2000. I've been using it for multiple projects with the generator, cutting tools, power tools, compressors, powering the tiny home. All kinds of tests have been performed. Today, I was getting ready to conduct some more cutting. I needed to use my cutting saw. And the Zendure was charged at 100%, like it always is. And it was ready to go. And all of a sudden, the screen just blinked out. And it just makes a clicking noise. I don't know what's going on inside of it. It just makes clicking noise. The Wi-Fi reset button works. I think that the DC-AC push is reset. I can plug it in to the port so we can put it on power. I don't like this thing. Now, if you listen carefully, really carefully, you will hear the Zendure try to charge. It will come on for a second. Hang on. Oh. See that clicking? Right there. Hear the fan? The fan tries to come on and it shuts off again. We're going to go through one more click. Listen carefully. I'm going to put my headset right down here so you guys can listen. So that's what it's doing. So approximately 2 weeks and she's dead as a doornail. I don't know what happened, but the Zendure is DOA. I'll contact Zendure, of course, and see what they want to do, but I needed to report this. I don't know if it's something with my unit specifically, and it will never happen with anyone else's unit, but that was not the goal of this video. The goal of this video was to tell you guys what happened all the way to the end, the truth, okay? I will also publish this on the Zendure group, but I can't promise that they will approve it because they don't want any bad publicity, and I totally respect that. But at the same time, on this YouTube channel, you guys get the truth. Zendure, I hope you're watching. I hope this is just a fluke and that we can figure it out. Maybe there's some kind of magical reset. Maybe I have to take the case off. I don't know. We'll get into that later. With a system like this, you pay almost $2,000 for a system. You want to have some sort of warranty, some sort of way to fix it. So we'll get into that later, and I'll probably do another video on that. Anyway, for now, Rest in peace, Zendure, my friend, SuperBase Pro 2000. For 2 weeks, you were an amazing companion. Alright guys, talk to you in the next video. See ya!